In this video, we will learn to add and subtract fractions with different denominators. When adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators, the first thing that we need to do is to make the denominators the same. We do this by finding the LCD, or least common denominator. To find the LCD, we're going to list multiples of each of the denominators. Listing multiples is like finding or counting by that number. For 3, we would have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. For 5, we'll have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. The first number that they have in common is 15, so that's going to be our least common denominator. Now we need to rewrite our fractions with the new denominator of 15. That's called finding an equivalent fraction. So we need to look at each of the denominators and ask ourselves, what do I multiply the first one by to get the new one? For 3, what do I multiply by to get 15? The answer is 5. For 5, what do I multiply by to get 15? The answer is 3. So remember, whatever we do to the denominator of a fraction, we need to do the same thing to the numerator. So multiplying 1/3 by 5, we multiply the numerator by 5 also. So 1 times 5 gives us 5 for a new or equivalent fraction of 5 over 15. And then for 3/5, we're going to multiply by 3. So multiplying our numerator by 3, 3 times 3 gives us 9. So our new or equivalent fraction is 9 over 15. Now we're ready to add because our denominators are the same. So in adding the fractions, we add the numerators or the tops and we keep the denominator or the bottom. So 5 plus 9 gives us 14, keeping our denominator of 15. We have a fraction of 14 over 15, which is our answer for this particular problem.